49.2, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48.
Right, okay, here we go once again. So a Honda CRV 2007. What I'm going to be doing today is removing the radio to remove a 5p, which my daughter thought would be a good idea to put 5p in the CD slot. So all it does is goes, I think there's a CD in it, and it just does your head right in. And since it's to do with a car, I don't promote drink driving, so I'm on the old Munster. Hello. Right, let's get to it. So there's an arrangement of radio removal tools just on there, and I believe if you slot flat-headed screwdriver, not that one there, just in there, pry that out, and the same on the other side, it'll come out as one, and then you lift that up there. You can do that now, probably do that one-handed. Nah, I don't want to risk that, but I'll get that done, take that off, and see what happens. Right, so that came out no bother. Yeah, I've got to be a little bit rough, but not too rough. Those 3 bolts there, or you could also class them as a screw, are 8mm, I believe. I've heard it's best to take them out with the 8mm sockets and not the Phillips heads, because they strip quite easy. Just to get this bit off now. Yeah, that was easy enough. Just needs a little bit of roughness on it, and I believe this just comes forward as well, but I'll need 2 hands for that. So I'll see you again in a moment. Alright, a tip for you for this one is to use that in your little kit that you got. Put it there and prise it up. There's those little white things connect into there, and they need a lot of tugging. You need to be really rough for those. And in the process, still got that little white one, still got me little middle white one, but oh no, look at that. It's gone forever. Disappeared down there. I'll try and fish that back out though. Might have fell somewhere easy. But so far so good. First screw out. Took that one out, be naughty, and used the Phillips. Seemed to be alright. I have got GIS Phillips, and I bet you any money they fit in there and don't strip the heads. So if it does start like it's going to strip, I'll swap it straight away for the GIS. We shouldn't have any problems. So yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll take those out and we'll be back in a minute. That's all 5 screws out, then just going to give that a bit of a good tug and it'll come out. Yeah, and there's no chance of getting that little white thing back. That's gone deep down inside the gearbox somewhere. So, hasta la vista to that. Right, so I've took a few screws out the bottom. You hear that? Hopefully, we'll see what's lurking. It's in there somewhere. Oh, there you go. It's not 5p. 10p. As a matter of fact, there's definitely something else in there. So it looks like a bit more searching. Bloody one more. 17p in there. She must have thought it was a money box. Anyway, I forgot to say, if you want to take the radio, make sure you got your code. I'm going to have to run in the house now to make sure I've got the code. Pretty sure I have. And another tip for you, if you watch this video backwards, it'll show you how to put it back. So there you go. Goodbye.